Hey, what's up, Polygon Matic holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. My friends, at this time, the Polygon Matic holders doing a very big mistake. Absolutely, my friends. If you do this mistake, so you lose your money and waste. Don't do this mistake and be safe from yourself, from loss. My friends, for more details, keep watch this video, and please, I request everyone that please subscribe ABS Tech channel for updates and news videos. Absolutely, if you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about cryptocurrencies market. My friends, at this time, the latest price of the Polygon Matic is 1.05 USD dollar. 1.05 USD dollar is the latest price of the Polygon Matic. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Polygon Matic, so you can see here, my friends, that the latest change, the last 1 hour pricing is negative, 1 day pricing is positive, and 1 week pricing is again negative. Only the last 24 hours, the yesterday pricing is positive, and except of these, the previous and the current days of the Polygon Matic is bad. So now I know that at this time the price of Polygon Matic is going down. It's a bad day of the Polygon Matic, but at this time that's the people decide to sell, and the selling is the biggest mistake of all holders. My friends, don't decide to sell. You are clearly in the loss. The last 1 month pricing is negative. From the start of June the price is going down, and still the pricing is negative, so you are in the loss. So why you decide to sell? Absolutely, don't do this mistake, and it is the biggest mistake of all holders of the Polygon Matic. Hold for long term, my friends, but don't decide to sell. If you sell, so you are clearly on the loss. Be safe from loss, and please hold. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for updates videos.